You know what? I think I got some empties. Yeah, I do. You want to see what I got? Stay tuned then. Ooh. Okay, that's better. Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to share with you just a few empties. I got a little bit, I'm like, I might as well just do an empties video to start off 2023. Okay, so if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that, please. Give this video a thumbs up if you like empties videos, or you just like to see my face, or you like just, come to my channel every now and then. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything. And don't forget to leave me a comment. First item I have here, this is from Donna Collection. This is the Rhodiola and Baobab Herbal Silk 2-in-1 Deep Condition Protein Treatment Repair and Strengthen. Oh, yeah, that was a long title, huh? Okay. So, I had some videos way back on the channel from Donna Collection, but it is a Black-owned, female-owned brand. And I tried many products from that brand, and I think I'm getting down to, I think I got a few more products here, but this particular deep conditioner right here, I tried twice. The first time I loved it, and I had to go back and get it again. So this is a protein treatment, but when you think of protein treatments, you think, is it gonna make my hair stiff? It's gonna act all weird afterwards? No, this is a super conditioning protein treatment, in my opinion. Leaves the hair soft, manageable, moisturized, hydrated, just wonderful. So would I suggest this? Yes, I would. And would I get it again? Yes, I would. Okay, next item here, y'all seen Dove on here I don't know how many times, but I tried a different scent this time around. So this is a Dove Hydrating Aloe and Birch Water scent. So for me, this particular scent is just like a scent that you can use, it's the basic scent, not what the basic Dove scent, but this is something that will go with everything. So if you're about to layer up on your scents afterwards, I don't think it's going to conflict with anything like this. Nice clean scent. Yeah, nice and clean. I guess if you wanted to be specific with how you layer this with your scents, I would layer this with your clean, fresh smelling perfumes, body sprays, creams, lotions. I mean, if that's what you're into. To me, I just used it all the time. So would I get this particular scent again? Yeah, I would, because it's pretty universal, Okay, so let's just go ahead and get all the Dove stuff out of the way. Next item I have here, you guys have seen me use, I don't know how many of these dry sprays before, deodorant sprays, but this is another one I tried, and this one was in the Shea Butter scent. Nice universal scent, didn't conflict with anything, that where did it work? Yes, it did. Clearly, because I keep using these deodorants. So this is the Shea Butter scent. Let me know if any of you have used this particular scent yet. Okay, next. This is from, where is this from? I think this was Kiss or Jelicious or something, because it really doesn't say anymore, but I got it 3 in a pack. Got it from Amazon. This was the clear color, and this one, it just says, oh, okay, mango butter and acai berry. I didn't notice all that. I don't know. I didn't notice that it was like a fruity scent at all, actually. But I'm finally done with it. Do I like it? Yes, I do. I have one more to use. And I got these like, I don't know, a couple of years ago, but they were 3 in a pack. So three different types within a 3-pack from Amazon. So I like it. and I would get it again. Oh, my hands got sticky from that. Anyway, moving on. Next item I have here is from Main Elevation. This is also a Black-owned, female-owned brand. She sent me quite a few of her products, and I'm getting through them one at a time. This one was the Hydrating Cowash, and pretty much used it up. It's just a tiny bit in there now, but not enough for a co-wash. Did it work? Yes. And I actually think I've used it on my hair, and I actually think I used it on a human hair wig one time. It's a lightweight co-wash. It did what it was supposed to do. And yeah, would I get anything from her again? Yes, I would. Okay, y'all, I got a piece of hair that's just, oh no, it has to, no. Y'all, took out my 2 braids and just fluffed out my hair just for this video. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, would I get this again? Yes, I would. Okay, is this the last item? Y'all, this is all I could find like really quick, but you know, I'm trying to get rid of clutter and stuff, so I thought I might as well just go ahead and get this out. So if you like quicker videos, give me a thumbs up, and if you actually watch this whole thing, let me know. I want to know who's actually watching these full videos. So anyway, last item I have here, this is from CeraVe Moisturizing Cream for normal to dry skin. So I got this as a cream to use after I wash my face, after I wash, tone, and of course, you know, do my skincare, and this was part of it. This was the moisturizer. This was my first time using any CeraVe product. Can you believe that? Did it work? Yes, it did. It's a thick product, but it does work. Left my face moisturized, hydrated. I didn't have any issues whatsoever with dry skin or anything like that. And this has hyaluronic acid in it too. So yeah, it's a cute little, you know, container. What is this? 1.89 fluid ounces, which, you know, for cosmetics or for moisturizers, I guess that's about, you know, standard. But would I use it again? Yes, I would. And actually, I need to try more CeraVe products. So let me know, have you used any CeraVe products either in your body care, skincare, whatever? Let me know. So that's it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it for today's empties. So if you haven't already, again, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and that includes what I post in the community tab. Yeah, every so often I put things there, you know, see if y'all still paying attention. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate it, and it helps my channel and push out my videos to more people who haven't had a chance to visit yet and may consider joining our little rose garden here, and leave me a comment. So other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.